In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot a 3D printer connection to your PC using the Arduino IDE. So let's get right in. Hi everyone. To get started, you need two things. First, a cable that can connect to your 3D printer motherboard. The second piece is this Arduino IDE that you can see on my screen. I have a full video showing you how you can install and download this. I will leave the link in the description. Now let's get started. The first thing you want to do is within the Arduino IDE, you want to click on this drop down to select the board. So you can see here, it says select other board and ports. We're going to click that and then you get to this window. The first here, we can choose our board. Don't worry too much about the board name and type. The 3D printer board is very similar to the Arduino. Not the same, but very similar. So you can probably just type in an Arduino and then assuming you can spell it right, like not like me, and then select that, and that should be fine. Don't worry about this part, really. This is not going to matter much right now because what we want to see is, does our PC recognize the printer? And that's what we're troubleshooting for. So under the ports, you can see here it says no ports discovered, and that is because my printer is not even connected. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to connect my printer cable and let's see if my PC can recognize it. So let me show you here on the camera that I'm just going to connect the cable really quick. Now my cable is connected. You can see my printer is still not recognized. And the reason for that, it is actually the cable itself. The cable quality and the power is not enough. And that is the problem. So this is what we're troubleshooting. And you can see my printer is still not showing under the ports. Now I'm going to replace the cable with a better quality cable. And you will see that my printer will pop up. So let's go ahead and unplug that cable and replace it with a better one. Take a look really quick here. So just remove that cable and now I'm going to put the other cable, which is better. Now I've plugged in that better cable, you probably hear that peep type of noise where your PC is recognizing a new hardware. And you can see also I have a new COM5 serial port that popped up under the port section in the Arduino IDE. This is a good indication that the PC is recognizing my 3D printer. And now the connection looks good and everything is working. Last thing I want to show you here is to test the connection. While things looks good, so under the drop down, I can see the board and I can see my printer showing up. If I click the select, I can see the COM and the serial port for the USB connection. Obviously, the other end of the cable is connected to my PC. So now this looks good. Let's go ahead and give it a test. And the way you can do this is you can use the serial monitor. So under tools, we're going to open this serial monitor. And this is a way for us to see the communication between our PC and the printer. Right now, I'm just going to use a simple command to auto home the printer. So I'm going to do G28. That's the command. We're going to type that in the serial monitor here, and we're going to hit enter. That should uh, auto home the printer. As you can see, it says processing and it says busy. And if you look at the camera, you can see my printer is just auto home. And one more thing here that you want to make sure that you have it set up correctly is the baud, which is the 115200. That is the correct number for the 3D printer, or at least for my 3D printer. I have an Ender 3. So for me, that is the correct one. For your printer, it might be different. Again, the cable, I have like a mini USB, or I think it's called micro USB. Don't quote me on that. But your 3D printer might be as Type C USB or a different USB, but usually it's a USB cable that connect to your PC. So now you can see my printer is back and it already did the auto home. And here's the response I got, which says processing, processing, and then it gave me the Y and X and Z axis, and then it says everything looks okay. So now everything is working. But what I wanted to show you in this video is first how to check for the connection and how to troubleshoot. Usually it's your cable. If you're not using a good quality cable, I would consider changing the cable. And then last is how to communicate with your printer using the Arduino IDE. I hope you found this helpful. If you did so, please consider like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.